Hello boys and girls, and welcome to our third singing assembly. Let's not waste any time. Get out of your chairs, find a nice space, and let's get ourselves warmed up. I think you know this one very well by now. And an up and a down and a forwards and a back, and an up and a down and a forwards and a back, and around and around. This way and that way, this way and that way. Touch your knees, touch your knees. E, 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 e. E, 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 e. Skiing. And stop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And stop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And pat. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And clap. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And click. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn around. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And jump. 2, 2, 2. Yeah. And so on to our next warm-up. Let's put together all the 3 parts we've learned so far. The first part is stand up, shoulders down. The second part is stamp your feet, clap your hands. And the third part, remember all that talking, is move your mouth, articulate. We really have to use our mouths to make sure we're pronouncing everything really carefully. All right, let's try that with a backing track and we'll sing along. We'll stop it at some point. And then we'll talk about singing it in parts as well. It's a bit of a challenge. Are we ready? Stand up, shoulders down, back straight, smile and frown. Shake your body now, breathing in. We are ready, let's start to sing. Stamp your feet, clap your hands, click your fingers and turn around, reaching up and sliding down. Move your mouth, articulate, your tongue and teeth and lips are great. Try it now, don't hesitate, remember to articulate. Move your mouth, articulate, your tongue and teeth and lips are great. Try it now, don't hesitate, remember to articulate. Fantastic. Now, you can hear that the music continues. So what you're going to do now is you're going to have to decide whether you are going to be an A, B, or a C. And you'll have instructions about which part to sing and when to sing it. You'll have somebody on screen telling you exactly what to do. See if you can follow them. Bit of a challenge. Good luck and enjoy. So I'm going to be part A, which means I'm going to sing part 1, 2 and 3. Then I'm going to go back to the beginning and sing part 1 and 2 again. That's part A. I'm going to be part B. I'm going to sing like this one, parts 1, 2 and 3. But then I'm going to carry on with part 2 and part 3. And I'm going to sing part C, which means I sing along with the others, parts 1, 2 and 3. I'm going to sing part 3 a second time, and then I'm going to go back to the beginning and do part 1. Fingers crossed. All right, we're ready to go. Stand up, shoulders down, back straight, smile and frown. Shake your body now, breathing in. We are ready, let's start to sing. Stamp your feet, clap your hands, click your fingers and turn around, reaching up and sliding down. Move your mouth, articulate, your tongue and teeth and lips are great. Try it now, don't hesitate, remember to articulate. Move your mouth, articulate, your tongue and teeth and lips are great. Try it now, don't hesitate, remember to articulate. Stand up, your mouth, articulate, your tongue and teeth and lips are back straight. Try it now, don't hesitate, remember to articulate. Move your mouth, articulate, your tongue and teeth and lips are great. Try it now, don't hesitate, remember to articulate. stand up, your mouth articulate, just down, teeth and lips are back straight. Try it now, don't hesitate, remember to articulate. Move your mouth, articulate, your tongue and teeth and lips are great. Try it now, don't hesitate, remember to articulate. Let's sing. And we're going to do We Are One now. We'll have a quick recap. Try and copy the actions that I'm doing with my hands, because when you listen to it at the end there's going to be nobody doing it for you, so you have to try and remember, and then I will teach you the third verse. Alright, are we ready? We'll sing along for now. Starts, there are people in our lives. Are we ready? There are people in our lives. Some are friends and some are strangers, though we see through different eyes, and we come from many places. We are one, we are strong, as we sing our songs together. We are one, we belong, as we share our lives together. There are places in our lives, there are things we've done together, and the memory of these times will be in our hearts forever. Together we are strong, remember? Together we are strong. We sing our songs together, each one of us belongs. We share our lives together. Right, and then the next verse goes like this. There are seasons in our lives, there are seasons in our lives, and they bring us many changes, and they bring us many changes, through the low times and the highs, through the low times and the highs, as we turn our separate pages, as we turn our separate pages. Let's do that 2 phrases at a time. There are seasons in our lives, and they bring us many changes. There are seasons in our lives, and they bring us many changes, through the low times and the highs, as we turn our separate pages, through the low times and the highs, as we turn our separate pages. Fantastic, let's try that together. There are seasons, hang on. Together. There are seasons in our lives, and they bring us many changes, through the low times and the highs, as we turn our separate pages. Now after this, it starts to get exciting. We have the top people singing We Are One, We Are Strong, and straight after that, at the same time, Together We Are Strong. So it goes a little bit like this. We are one, together we are strong. So there's 2 parts going in. So let's decide who's doing what. I think, 4, 5 and 6, can you sing Together We Are Strong? Can you sing that part? And for years 3, year 2, year 1, reception and nursery, if you're listening, can you sing together, We Are One, We Are Strong? I think I'm going to sing with the younger children right now, so please join in with me. Hang on one moment while I get this ready, because it sometimes cracks on very quickly. Are we ready? Okay. We are one, we are strong, as we sing our songs together. We are one, we belong, as we share our lives together. We are one, we are strong, and then it finishes at the very end with us all singing "We Are One, We Are Strong." So years 4, 5 and 6, you're being quite independent because I've not sung that for you, but I think if you're careful you should be able to hear it going in, and so we shall put that all together. So we come to the end of our singing assembly, and we've just got our finale to look forward to. I think probably you've had enough of Mrs. Royce that on your screen singing at you, making mistakes all over the place actually. But it's not my turn anymore. I've had some lovely friends from the St John Fisher School Choir who have been brave enough and willing enough to record their voices for this final song. We would like you to join in as well. I know we're all scattered and we can't be together all in one place. I know that will change sometime in the future, but not anytime very soon. So whilst we're waiting, just remember that if we can sing together, we are one. Slightly corny, but I think it's very true that if we make music together, we can really enjoy ourselves. So please sing along with the St John Fisher School Choir.